Hey loves, welcome to a brand new video. Today I created this pink makeup look using some products from E.L.F Cosmetics, and I'm sorry that this video is 3 weeks late. I was sick and then I had to take additional downtime in order to get to a point where I felt like filming. During my last Dollar Tree haul, I hauled a lot of makeup, most of which is from E.L.F Cosmetics, and Tyra Livingston suggested that I do an E.L.F look. If you'd like to check out that Dollar Tree haul, all you have to do is click the I in the top right hand corner of your screen. But before you do that, let's get right into the tutorial. I'm starting off by highlighting my brow bone with my Wet n Wild ColorIcon in Brulee using my Vivis eyeshadow brush. For today's eye makeup, I'll be using my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil eyeshadow palette, and I'm starting off by blending this bubblegum pink shade in and above the crease of my eye with my E.L.F eye crease brush. With my AOA E124, I'm applying a deeper shade of pink to the outer 1/3 of my lid. I'm now applying the E.L.F Molten Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Rose Gold to the remainder of my lid. And this is a really pretty eyeshadow, very metallic. It went on nicely. It also layered nicely as well without getting crackly, or patchy. With my ColorMates eyeshadow brush, I'm highlighting my brow bone with the LA Colors highlighter in the shade Shine Bright. I use the Nicka Microfine Artliner, and I feel like the more I practice at perfecting my wing, the better it looks. Like, I think this one came out okay, and I'm proud of myself. I'm now applying the Smoke and Mirrors Full On Dramatic Mascara. Then I applied my favorite lashes, the Miss 3D Volume Lash in the style M364. I already applied my foundation. I used the Maybelline Fit Me Matte+Poreless in the shade Spicy Brown. Now I'm blending out the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn using my Basic Beauty Pointed Foundation brush. I'm trying out a new setting powder today. It is the E.L.F Prime and Stay Finishing Powder in the shade Light Medium. And I picked this up from Fiesta for $2. On the back of the package, it says Primed and Ready. Lightweight tinted powder helps minimize the appearance of fine lines and set your makeup in place for long wear. To apply the powder, I will also be testing out the new E.L.F Selfie Ready Blending Perfector. I purchased this from Family Dollar for $4. This medium domed blender applies and blends cream and powder products for a flawless finish. Alright, starting off with the powder. This is a very soft, finely milled powder. I noticed right away that it was blurring my under eye area, and it's not really showing up too well on camera, but it looked so pretty in person. And despite the fact that this is a light medium powder, it didn't really brighten up my under eye area as much as it diffused the fine lines underneath my eyes. I did apply a second layer of the powder. That added a little bit more brightness and it just further blurred the lines underneath my eyes. I love it. Moving on to the brush, I love the dense, compact shape of this brush. It made applying the powder very easy and the bristles are really soft. To add warmth and dimension to my face, I'm using my Real Techniques Mini Multitask Brush, and I'm applying the E.L.F bronzer in the shade Deep along my cheekbones and across my forehead. I am using my blush brush to apply this light coral shade from the E.L.F blush palette in dark. To finish the face makeup, I'm taking my Aloe F19 and I'm highlighting my cheekbones with the golden shade of my E.L.F. Prismatic Highlighter Duo in Siren's Call. Going back to the eyes, I'm taking that pink shadow that I placed on the outer third of my lid and I'm applying it along my lower lash line with the Aloe E115. I'm lining my waterline with the Nicka K 24-hour waterproof eyeliner. And I'm coating my bottom lashes with the Smoke and Mirrors Full On Dramatic Mascara. To complete the eye makeup, I'm now highlighting the inner corner of my eye with the LA Colors highlighter in the shade Shine Bright using my E.L.F. small smudge brush. And to complement the very pink eye makeup, I'm now applying the E.L.F. Beautifully Bare Satin Lipstick in the shade Touch of Berry. I hope you loves enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun going into my collection and picking out the different E.L.F. products that I own. I just wish that I had more products to feature in today's look, but I'll just have to save that for another video. The two products that I tried out, their Prime and Stay Finishing Powder in light/medium, as well as their Selfie Ready Blending Perfector were amazing, and I definitely recommend both of them, especially the powder because it blurred my fine lines so well and my makeup was so pretty. All of the products that I used will be listed down below in the description. I would like to thank Tyra once again for recommending this video, and drop me a comment down below. And until next time, bye loves!